Today, we take you behind the scenes of how premium ostrich leather is created. Our journey begins.
The ostriches are then moved to a clean, well-maintained holding area where they eat, rest, and stay stress-free.
Every bird goes through a professional veterinary checkup to ensure perfect health, comfort, and proper care.
Meanwhile, pre-cleaned ostrich hides are prepared inside the factory, ready for the manufacturing process.
Next, the hides move into the wet blue tanning drums, where controlled chemicals strengthen the leather fibers.
From raw hide to tanned leather to finished products, this is the complete transformation journey.
The dyed hides are then dried in a temperature-controlled area to achieve perfect softness and durability.
Rizzers. During the finishing stage, a special machine sprays color onto the leather, enhancing its rich texture and bringing.
Skilled workers begin the finishing stage, polishing and smoothing the leather to bring out its natural texture. Close-up textures highlight the unique pattern and premium feel of authentic ostrich leather. Every product is crafted with passion, precision, and years of experience in leather craftsmanship.
Expert workers carefully stitch each ostrich leather jacket on specialized machines, ensuring precise seams and high-quality craftsmanship.
Shoes and jackets are crafted with fine detailing, offering a combination of comfort and elegance.
Here are our premium ostrich leather wallets, soft, durable, and handcrafted with precision. Our team carefully inspects every item, ensuring each product meets the highest standards.
Shoes and jackets are crafted with fine detailing, offering a combination of comfort and elegance. High-quality belts and bags showcase the natural beauty and strength of ostrich leather.
Workers organize and prepare the finished items for packaging and delivery.
A quick showcase of our full collection: wallets, belts, bags, shoes, and jackets.